What is your name?
Mrs. Lutz Pinto.
Coming from?
From Kanduli.
Just tell me, what is your problem?
About 5 years ago, I had frozen shoulder, and I came to doctor, and it was such a homely atmosphere at the clinic in Panjim. We were like a big family, and doctor was very attentive, and I started the therapy, and within 10 sittings I was totally alright, and I've not got that pain again of my shoulder. Then this time when I've come to the doctor, it's because I had a heel pain, and at that time I couldn't hardly walk, and so I took steroids, 2 steroids that came of Depametrol, which is brought from Hong Kong actually. But after about 10 years now, the pain has come back, and I was very convinced that I wouldn't do anything, and I was sure the doctor would be able to help me out. And so I've come for this treatment, and I thought what was really fantastic was I took a deep, the long needle therapy 2 days ago, and I can't imagine, doctor's hand was so perfect that he put the needle and the sensation went right from the top right up to the heel, and that I think is very unique, which no doctor can do. One has to take the risk because anybody can damage all your nerves, and you can be paralyzed. But doctor had done such a wonderful job of the treatment, and I felt so cured that I'm arguing with the doctor, why do I have to come back again, you have cured me. So he said, no, you have to come back for a few more sittings if you want a total cure. Relief is one thing and total cure is another thing. So I really have to thank doctor, and I would encourage a lot of people to go in for acupuncture, because people do get frightened about needles, but it's not the needles. The needle is not painful at all, and it's a therapy which I think only Dr. Prabhu has mastered. Thank you.
So you want to tell about one thing is, when you come in the starting condition, that cures you faster. So when patient comes chronic, when they are very chronic, then it takes time also. Every time when you came, it was a really thing which was immediate, like.
Yeah.
So
actually we all blame doctors, that they can't cure us, they don't know, but we are to blame because we don't come to the doctor, at least for the acupuncture. We try all sorts of nonsense, and when it's last and we have no way out, then we come to Dr. Prabhu, and then he has the tough time of trying to cure us after we've already done all sorts of treatments and all sorts of experiments, and then expect a miracle out of him, which I think is not fair for him, because he has to take some time to be able to treat the person, because the pain or whatever the injury or whatever has been is so long in you, so obviously the time taken to cure will be much longer.
Yeah, but as per the concern, as per your experience now, last time also shoulder, within 10 days we treated you.
Yeah.
Now also as you are healed, and from this problem you are treated within 10 days.
Yeah.
So actually now you got total relief from within just 10 days, which was really faster as compared to so many years suffering also.
Yeah.
So what about the long needle which I have given? Sometime when I say the long needle therapy which I have mastered in this, so it doesn't have any harm or it doesn't pain. Sometimes when long needle, then people just get fear. It's small needle and long needle, for patient it feels same. Only the thing which I do, it is only art in handling. That is only to be done. Otherwise for patient, as per the feeling, how you felt? It was painful?
No.
Not at all. No. Okay. Yeah.
What I appreciated that I could see the effect going right from up to down, which I think is really a mastery. No one can do that type of thing. And if you go to anyone and think that they will give it to you, I think you better be very careful, because you can damage yourself. There are a lot of acupuncturists, but you shouldn't take the risk with just anybody to do this type of treatment.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. I had a chronic back, and this was actually, my back problem started when I was about 20 years old, and I had to take an appendicitis emergency operation, and the doctor just folded me and gave me the anesthesia on my spine, and since that time my spine has never been the same. So it's on and off. I used to take diathermy and ultrasound, and it continued. Now, of course, my back is in osteoporosis stage, and since it was so acute, when I went to Hong Kong, I thought I would take it from the Chinese doctor there, but I never got cured.
Acupuncture in Chinese doctors.
Yeah.
In Hong Kong.
In
But still you are not got cured.
No, I never got cured.
Yeah. So because lot of patients who are coming from abroad who tried the Chinese acupuncture, they always say that they have tried so much in Chinese acupuncture, but they doesn't get the relief what we give here, what cure they get. Now last time one patient come from America, he told he has taken around 6 month treatment for back, and he is suffering for last 10 years. Has got not a single relief after the treatment. And he, after getting cured, he has given us also interview as saying that within just 10 days, doctor has given miraculous results. So this is, what we have done is our own research, not only Chinese acupuncture. We have done a lot of research for last 20 years, which we are helping the patient by that research. Okay, thank you very much.